uses of water are for? What are the use? Okay, next one.
Drinking, brushing, bathing, washing clothes, etc.
Super. All are big clap for her. What is the meaning of float? Okay, I get it. To rest on the surface of a liquid. Example. What is the meaning of surface?
Around,
Okay. The meaning of surface is upper. What is the meaning of liquid? Stand. Fingers. Water. Very good. All are clap for her. This is a plastic bottle. And this is called surface. And here you can see the plastic bottle is float. Why?
because inside doesn't have water.
Okay, I guess. Because the air is trapped into it, so it can't sink. What is the meaning of Because the air is trapped inside, which makes it less weight, so it floats on the water. Why does the duck of puri sink into the oil and after some time it floats on the oil? Okay, because when it was a duck, its density is higher than the hot oil, so it sank. But after it passed up the steam, then the air trapped inside the puri, which makes it less dense than the oil. Do you know why some particular things float in the water? Okay, the object which is less weight, less density than water can easily float in the water. Do you know why some particular things sink in the water? Because the weight of the object is higher than the water, so it sinks easily in the water. Do you know how the water is reducing while boiling it? Okay, because the water is evaporating, process by which an element or compound transitions from its liquid state to its gaseous state while boiling it. Do you know how do we get salt?
From sea.
Yes, right. All are clap for it. From where did the water came? Magma.
Rain.
No. Okay. Million years ago, from asteroids and meteoroids, we get water. Okay, we can see this experiment. Here we can see a lemon normally can float. But when we add some salt, it automatically floats. Okay. Okay, today we are going to write a test. Distribute the test note. Okay, fast. Okay, today's test is Which things can float? Common things. Not right in your desktop. Any five. Okay, next question. Do you know why some particular things floating in water?
Take the page number 75.
Pizza.
Today we are going to learn about angles. Can anyone can say what are the types of angles? John?
Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle.
What is the measurement of acute angle?
Less than 90.
From girls, anyone? What are the types of angles and their measurement?
Right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle,
Okay, what is the measurement of obtuse angle? No?
more than 90.
Good, sit down. So now we are going to learn about complementary angle. The sum of the two angle measures 90 degree. Then the angle is called complementary angle. So for example, can anyone can do this sum? Yashika. Find the complementary angle for this. So, any other from boys? You come front and do the find the complementary angle for this. Good. So for the next one is the supplementary angle. The sum of the measures of the two angles is 180 degree. For example, 90 degree. Now find the supplementary angle for cut. From girls, 80. is supplementary. Yes, correct. Good. Can anyone can say what were the interior angles here? They,
Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6.
angle
3, 4, angle 5, and angle 6.
correct. From girls, anyone can say what are the exterior angles here? Can say that?
1, 2, angle 1,
Angle 1,
2, angle 2, and angle 7, angle 7, angle 8.
that's correct. From boys, can anyone can say what were the corresponding angles here? Sanjit?
Angle 1 and 5,
1 and 5.
angle 2 and 6.
Next.
Angle 3 and 7. Angle 4 and 8.
Yes, correct. From girls, anyone can say what were the alternate angles here? Angle 3 and
Angle 6, angle 4,
is that it? Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, students. Good morning, miss. Sit down. Today we are going to take a new lesson. Okay, miss. The name of the lesson is nutrition in plants.
nutrition is nothing. It's taking the mode of taking place of food is known as nutrition.
Yes, it's correct. But is it properly?
Nutrition is the mode of taking food by organisms and its leaves of the food packages of plants.
Yes, it's correct. Sit down. Now, there are three types of nutrition. What are they? Autotrophic, saprotrophic and heterotrophic. Now, let me ask what is autotrophic? What is autotrophic? Stand up and tell.
The mode of food, the mode of nutrition in which plant organisms make food themselves.
Yes, it's correct answer. Sit down. Now, let me ask what is heterotrophic?
Animal and most plants organisms take the food prepared by plants. They call heterotroph.
Yes, it's correct. Sit down. Now, I can ask what is saprotrophic? Please stand up and tell what is saprotrophic? What is saprotrophic? No. Tell
It's
us.
organism with sapropod mode of nutrition are called
Tell it properly.
such organisms with saprophyte in nutrition are sapropod.
What is their mode? Reshmika? Yes, it's correct answer. Sit down. Now, why leaves are green in color? By what reason? What? Manisha? Yes, it's correct answer. What is the act of leaves? What is the act in leaves of chlorophyll? Joyce? Yes, what is the act? It helps to obtain sunlight. Yes, sit down. So, I think from third standard we are learning what is photosynthesis. Anyone? Yuvashri, stand up and tell what is photosynthesis process. During the process, oxygen is released and carbon dioxide is increased in this process. Yes, sir. The plant synthesis of food presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Yes, it's correct answer.
Yes. The holes present on the surface of the leaves is known as gall cells. Now, ask what is algae? Have you seen algae? Okay, what is algae? Reshmika, stand up and tell. What is algae? Slimy green plants. Where it is present in more water. Yes, it's correct. Does it contain chlorophyll? Saprotroph. No, because it can make its own food. It is not a solid. Okay. What is plants? Anyone? Lufina? Yes. Give the definition. Insect eating plants. Yes, correct. Can anyone add? Alvin, come and go. So this is called lid, which when eating an insect, the trap in this, the plant will trap on, close the lid and trap the insect and chew to deposit nitrogen from the soil. Okay? Venus. Symbols. I think it's new for you. Yes. I think the relationship between two organisms is known as symbiosis. The organisms share both their shelter and food together is known as lichens. In algae share food to the fungi, and in return the fungi give shelter to the algae. This is known as lichens. So, what is fungi? Saprotrophic nutrient, heterotrophic nutrient, or autotrophic nutrient? Saprotrophic. What is the nutrient of fungi? Saprotrophic nutrient. So, what is algae? Autotroph, saprotroph, or heterotrophs?
Autotrophs.
So I can give definitions to you, and tomorrow you can go through the list. Okay? So what is autotrophs? Again, I am asking full definitions to anyone. Alright. Autotroph is an organism which makes its own food in themselves. Okay? Which makes its own. What is heterotroph? Okay, let me see. It is opposite to autotrophs. Autotrophs make its own food, like heterotrophs take food from other animals. Because plants is an organism, so it takes food from what? Plants. Humans is an example of heterotroph. Heterotroph. From which organism? Plants. Yes, from plants. Now what is saprotroph? Okay, let me see. The organism which take nutrition from the dead and decaying matter. It's spoiled matter. The saprotroph take food from the spoiled matter. Okay. Now, what is chlorophyll? Present on the leaves is known as. So, what chlorophyll? Yes. No. What is health? Sit down.
Plant synthesis in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis.
Yes. The plants is making their food by their own. Yes. So they are what? Yes. Yes. So now let me ask, what is? Now let me ask, what is lichens? Okay, loudly. So I can tell the relationship between two organs, that is known as symbiose. That organism is known as lichens. What are lichens? What are the examples of lichens? Anyone? Yes, friend. What are they? What is the process of algae fungi? Just now I teach. No one? Start.
The algae give the food to the fungus. The fungus give the shelter to the algae.
Yes, very good. Sit down. Now, what is? Now, can anyone draw the diagram of photosynthesis process? Reshmika, come and draw the diagram of photosynthesis process. Come fast. What is happening in this process? Like the plant makes yes. Then what is happening? The process goes. This plant is taking carbon dioxide. Releasing oxygen. Okay. All the topics happening is noted. Practice all the diagrams in this lesson and go through the lesson. Okay? Okay, miss. Thank you, children. Thank you, miss. Good
Morning, students. Sit down. Today we are going to see a new lesson, temperature and its measurement. Do you know what is a temperature? Let me explain it now. Temperature is a reliable measure of hotness or coldness of something is measured. Temperature. Let us go to the lesson. Do you know what is an instrument? You know what is the instrument that is used to measure temperature? Stand Yes, very good. Clap for her. Let us see the types of thermometer now. First one is the clinical thermometer. Have you ever went to an hospital? If you have fever, there should be one instrument is used. What is its name? It is called the clinical thermometer. Next one, laboratory thermometer. Do you know what is the laboratory thermometer? A clinical thermometer is only used for the human body to measure temperature, but a laboratory thermometer is used for all other things. For example, now you have a coffee cup in your hand. How do you measure its temperature? With the type of clinical thermometer or laboratory thermometer? It is called laboratory thermometer. The next one is room thermometer. Do you know what is a room thermometer? Okay, I will explain it. Room thermometer is used to measure the air temperature in a particular room. For example, now you are sitting in a classroom. If you want to find the classroom's temperature, let's just see about the room temperature. Now you are sitting on a classroom. Then you can want to measure the temperature of your classroom. You can use a room thermometer, hang it on the wall, and you can measure how is the air temperature in your classroom. Note it down for it. Please stop writing. I will explain the types of units that you can write. Types of units. There are 3 types of units. First one is Celsius. Second one is Fahrenheit. Third one is Kelvin. So Celsius is used to measure the everyday temperature in Indian states or everyday temperature normal. Then Fahrenheit is used to measure the United States, the unique one of Fahrenheit. For example, now you have a fever. If it is a normal temperature, you can use a Celsius. If it is a high temperature, you can use a Fahrenheit. Kelvin is used for just for the scientific constants only. Let us see the pictures of type of thermometers. First one is clinical thermometer. Any 2 volunteers come and hold the chart. Let me explain. This is the thermometer and this is the laboratory thermometer. Can you see the interesting example of moving? So how to remember unit? I can say. Did you all eat KFC? Did you all know this? Do you know a person's normal temperature? If anyone knows, stand up and say that. Normal temperature of a person. If you want to say the answer, you can please say with the units. Anyone? Okay, I will say now. In Celsius, the person's normal temperature is 37.0 degrees Celsius. If you convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius, the numbers will be bad. Do you know that? Now I will write one formula for that, then we do an activity. Then we are going to explain this. Going to explain this. First, you want to convert a Celsius into Fahrenheit. You can use this formula. Now I explain this formula. Celsius into 99.5 plus 30. For now I will give one number. So Celsius is equal to 25. You need to convert this into Fahrenheit. So how can you do? I will say the answer. Now 25. Here Celsius into 9.5. So 25 into 9.5. Okay, the answer is 45 plus 32. Say me the answer. Is the correct answer. 77 degree. What will come? What is the unit we need to write here? Degree. No, Celsius is this. Now we need to convert that number into Fahrenheit. So here Fahrenheit. Yes, very good. Let us see this formula also, then we can do the activity. So Fahrenheit minus 32 into 9.5. So Fahrenheit, I will give the number as 11. 11 minus 32 is, here 32 is the bigger number, so we can take 32 first and we can subtract. Say the answer. 21 is the answer. 21 multiple 9.5. The answer from here. 190. so now you don't say that. What this means? Cold. How you can feel that this is cold? You know or don't? Okay, I will say. Please sit down. Now we can see how you feel this ice cream is cold. By touching it or by tasting it, you can feel this is a cold object. Then this is a hot. This one cold. Let me give a homework and we will finish our class. I will write this homework on this board. You can note down. Write 5 sentences about how temperature affects in our daily life. Can you have any doubt in this homework? Okay. Let anyone can say what do you understand from this lesson?
Type of thermometer.
Yes. Now stand up and say. Do you understand in this lesson? How it is hot and cold and what are the thermometers? I hope all of you understand this concept. Tomorrow we will see in the next lesson. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Sit down. Today we are going to see a new lesson, the value of one. About this lesson, we are going to play one game, okay? Economic activities. Are you interested to do an activity? Yes. Economic activities means salary giving. Non-economic activities means not salary giving. Shall I note this? How many types of economic activities are there? Okay, sit on a clap your hands for Jonas, stand up. What is economic and non-economic activities?
Primary activities, secondary activities.
What is economic and non-economic?
Economic activity means salary payment. Non-economic activity means non-salary payment.
Good. All clap your hands for that. You already know there are three types of economic activities: primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities. Primary activities, the extraction of natural resources. Secondary activities means from the process of raw materials into finished goods. For example, turning wood into furniture. Tertiary activities provide service rather than goods. Example, teaching and medical service. Did you notice this? Finished? I'm going to ask question about this. Ready? What are the names of economic activities? Read us time. What are the names of economic activities? Good. All clap your hands for her. Students, stand up. Say one example of economic activity. See here and say.
Process of rape.
Say here and see here and say.
Medical certificate.
Okay, good. All clap your hands. What is the importance of non-economic activities? Social well-being. Okay, good. Clap your hands for her. See this mind map. The value of wealth. Economic activities. Work done for a salary, such as being a doctor. Work done for trades, such as laborers or technicians. Types of economic activities. Primary activities. Extraction of natural resources. Example includes farming, fishing, and forestry. Secondary activities. Process of raw materials into finished goods. For instance, turning wood into furniture or processing wheat into flour. Tertiary activities. Provide service rather than goods. Example, teaching, medical service, and transportation. Importance of non-economic activities. Non-economic activities essential for social well-being. don't generate monetary compensation. These activities often stem from love, care, or respect. Non-academic activities. Non-academic activities play role in fostering community bonds and promote social well-being. Family care. Parents cooking for their families or caring for children. Community participants. Engaging initiative like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to produce cleanliness. What did you understand from this lesson?
Types of economic activities.
Then, let me say difference between economic and non-economic activities. Importance of work. I'm going to give a format. Write 6 economic and non-economic activities. I hope you all understand this economic and non-economic activities. Let me see in our next class. I will check the form. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. Please be sit down. Tell me the uses of numbers. For our maths life, we will use numbers for counting, measuring quantities. Like that, we can use for numbers. As for standard, tell me the even number. 2, 4, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Super. Ganesh, tell me the odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Super. Clap. Then we can go to the top. We can see the definition for square numbers. What is in the square numbers means the square of the number which is multiplied it by itself. One number is multiplied it by 2 times. It's called square number. We can see the examples. 2 square is equal to 2 multiple is equal to 4. So 2 square is equal to 4. Okay?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you written in the notes?
Yes.
Yes, please. Practice reading. First square 16. Super. Handle 5 square. Clap. Then next stop.
Next, Miss.
Super. Thank you, Miss. Now we can come to this topic, square roots. The square root of number is the value that when multiplied by itself equals to original number. One number in square number is no 2 squared. Like that 2 squared 4. So the 36 root of 36 is equal to 6. Did you have doubts? No. No, miss.
No, miss.
Really?
Yes, miss.
Have doubts? You can ask.
No.
Miss. Aida? Root of 49? 7. Shamfred?
Next.
Root of 64?
8 square.
Super. Biggest round. Ashka. Whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Living? Can you natural numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then example 1. We should find the root of 6,400. First we should take LCM. Actually, stand up. What is the full form of LCM? Least common number. Bring some water. Okay, miss.
Miss, I water.
Okay.
Shall I do water?
Okay.
take the LCM. 6,400. So what is the prime numbers? To extend the prime numbers. Then Then 7. You missed one number. You missed one number. 2, 4, 3. Tell me. 2, 3, 5, 7, up to etc. Okay. 64. Okay. 2. How many times will 6 have? 3. Okay. Then 4. 2 times. Remaining 2 0. Then 2 times. 3 how many times? 1. Remaining 1 here. 12. How many times? 6. Okay. 0. Then 2. 16 how many times? 8. Okay. Super. Then 2. 4. Next we can take 2. How many times 4? 2. Then 2? 1. Okay. Then 2 how many times having 100? 50. Then 5 how many times having 25? 2. Then 5 times we can take. I mean 25 is a 8 odd number. So we should take 5. 5. So how many times 25 is having 5? 5 times. So 5 times 1. Clear?
Yes,
We should write root of 6,400 is equal to root of 2 multiple. How many times 2 having 2, 2, 2, 2, 5. How many times having? 4 times. 2 how many times having?
3 times. 4 times.
18.
Super. And it is the correct answer. Then 5? 2
times.
Okay. We can then root of how many times 2 into 2 is I don't know. 2 square. 2 square multiple 2 square multiple 2 square multiple 2 square multiple 5 square. For root and square it will cancel. So root of 6,400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 5s are 18. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Root of 6,400 is equal to
80.
Super. Then I will give one sum. You can do it now and tell me the answer now. Find the square root of 729.
27.
27.
Did you do?
Yes, miss.
Show me.
Miss. We are fast lab.
I will give you one homework. Okay,
Please, miss.
You can prepare. You should. What is the homework? Means exercise 5.2. First sum, do it.
Okay,
Not that is 5.2 is like this method. Okay, you can do it. First sum. Who is the homework in charge?
Sam friend.
Join Diana, come here and write your name. Thank you, students.
Thank you, miss. Class. Nice to meet you.
Good morning, students. Please be seated. Attendance. Baptist student. Gladys.
Present, sir.
Ladies.
Absent, sir.
Lubin. Present, sir. Shyam Sunil.
Present, sir.
Lionel. Ashtar Grace. Akshidyati.
Present, sir.
Alsana.
Sir.
Anastasia.
Present, sir.
Divyanshi. Aida Swarita.
Present, sir.
Jay Sadil. Joy Jana.
Present, sir.
Sahana.
Present, sir.
Today we will be learning about an important chapter which is also practical in our life called friction.
Why does a rolling ball stop after some time? Why does a match catch fire? It's because of friction. Now we look at one activity. This goes faster. Why? Because the area of contact is less. In this is sliding friction. This is rolling friction. Which is more strong? Amar suggest Nada. Which is more strong? Sliding friction or rolling friction?
Sliding.
Why?
Uh, shape is different and texture.
Next.
Surface area.
Friction is a force that always opposes the direction of motion. Everyone take a book.
Yes, sir.
Keep down, baby. Now push the book. Push the book towards the right. In which direction will the force of friction act on? Ida Swadika, stand up. If you push a book towards the right, in which direction will the force of friction act on? Everyone will be careful. If force acts upward, in which direction will friction act?
Opposite.
Gladstone.
Opposite. Time.
What causes friction? Irregularities in both surfaces causes friction. Another main thing, two surfaces must be in contact for friction to act. Jason, stand up. Is friction a contact force or non-contact force? Why? Because two surfaces must be in contact with each other. You will stand up. Which will be easier to walk on, tar road or marble? Why? Tar road has more friction due to irregularities. This is smoother. Divyanshi. Ways to reduce friction.
Lubricants.
You
Like oil.
4 examples.
Oil, grease.
Next. Next. Akshi. Give one example.
Water.
Sham standard. Give one example.
What is
What example? Example of reducing friction.
grease?
Fluids. Ball bearings. And polishing.
So now,
Mm.
can friction introduce heat?
Yes, we should do.
How?
You don't take your hands, rub against each other. Faster, 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 faster. Now touch your face. Is it warm? Then do Is it warm?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Sana, stand up. Name me one type of friction.
Static friction.
Actually, come to second please. Sana, what is static friction? Close your book. What is static friction? Alsana, stand up. What is static friction? Sham, stand up. What is static friction?
The frictional force that prevents an object from starting to move when the force is applied.
Sit down. Sana, what is static?
It's a friction.
No motion. Static friction. Sliding. Sliding is greater than rolling. Now we will take your books.
And drink water.
Drink water. Glad stand up. How can we increase friction?
Pushing an object.
Stand up. Stand up. How can we increase friction? Amla, stand up. How can we increase friction?
Roughing. We can increase. By surface, if we roughing, we can increase.
Stand up closer.
I am not even opening it. This is hand.
Hand closer. This is friction. If area in contact is more, friction will be more. If area is less, friction will be more. Sit down. Take your book.
Set out, sir. Why vehicle slows down when brakes are applied?
Okay, braking stops the tire, which increases the friction, thus the car will brake.
Thank you.
Okay, please stand up. What is streamline shape and where did we find it from?
So what, sir?
What is streamline shape? You will stand up. Yes. What is streamline shape?
I don't know, sir.
Why are aeroplanes built like this and not like this?
Sir, because increase the speed. Because shape, if you go like this, no.
More area contact, the friction will increase. So we can keep it wide, so we narrow it down so that the area of contact is less. Thus the fuel can be more efficient and we can travel faster. This is why planes look like birds. Like cuckoo. And submarines look like dolphins. How can we?
Is the friction is same for all the surface?
No, friction can vary.
Right.
Because of irregularities. If the surface is smoother. Okay, actually stand up. I have so many doubts, you can answer my questions. How do we measure friction?
By this spring balance.
Diagonal stand up. How do we use spring balance to measure friction? Sana, stand up. How do we use spring balance to measure friction? Take one chair first. Wait, no, take your book. Close. Okay, now join in pairs of two. One person push the book. Okay. One person take your hand, keep it on the book, press as hard as you can. Now pray. Is it easier or harder? Thus we can say pressing an object increases the friction. Okay, that's it. Guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Today I am going to teach a new topic, linear equation to value. Students, what is variable?
Fixed
What is constant?
Fixed value.
In linear equation, all the equation are in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. All of you take way number 56. Example 1. Write each of the following in the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. Indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Question number 1. 2x plus 3y sorry, 3 2x plus right 2x plus 3y plus 4.37 of this right left side minus 4.34 is equal to 0. Write the value of a 2 b 3 c minus 4.32. Did you understand?
Yes.
Take page number 58. Find true solution for each of the following equations. 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Make a box. X, y. Write two values in here. X and apply the values in x. Plus dy equal to 12. Plus 4 change minus 4. 12 minus 4. 3y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 by 3. Write the y value. Okay. Apply the second x value. 4 multiple to plus 3y is equal to 12. 4 to 7 8 plus 3y equal to 12. 3y is equal to 12 minus 8. 3y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 by 3. Everyone understand the same?
Yes, sir.
Today's homework, exercise 4.1 and 4.2 do it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, students. I'm going to take the lesson. Please sit down. Thank you. I'm going to take the lesson poverty is a challenge in economics lesson 3. Okay. What is female poverty? The state of lacking of financial resource to meet basic needs. Okay, very good, Harshini. Sit down. Okay, how many of you see child laborers working in a shop or anything? Okay, I think almost you all see them, okay? Next, 2 cases of poverty is there. Achal case and Arunkar case, okay? I'll explain you by these values, okay? See here, this is urban case, migration of rural poverty, lack of access to community assets. This is rural case, social inequalities and inadequate infrastructure. Okay, let me move to our next topic. Poverty is seen by social scientists. It divided into 2 types, social exclusion and vulnerability. Social exclusion is the process through which individual or group are excluded from facilities, benefits and opportunities that the other their betters enjoy. And vulnerability means the greater probability of certain communities or people to become or remain poor in the future. Okay, what is meant by poverty estimates? All of you see the book, page number 33. See the tabular column. See the tabular column, then you can understand what is the estimate of poverty. See there, rural case in 1993 to 1994, there is poverty ratio is 50 and urban is 32. Why high poverty ratios in rural areas? Anybody can tell? Because rural areas means like village, like that. They work hard to make their basic needs. So they need high calories to build them for the next day. Okay. Vulnerable groups. I will explain through a chart. See here, vulnerable groups. It means the emerging population identified as having a higher risk of advantage, discrimination, environmental factors, etc. Vulnerable groups divided into two types: scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Scheduled castes means they are the group of communities in India identified under Article 341 of the Constitution as being socially, educationally and economically backward due to practice like untouchability. They are also called the Dalits and scheduled tribes. They are Adivasis and tribal group are socially banned in India and face discrimination and injustice. Okay, let me move to another topic. Interstate disparities. Poverty in India also has another aspect or dimension. The proportion of poor people is not the same in every state. Although state level has witnessed a secular decline from the level of early 70s, the success rate of indication poverty varies from state to state. Yeah, you already know that poverty ratios varies from state to state. Okay, I am going to the next topic. Global poverty scenario. It means the proportion of every state. If in US they are having a high poverty level, in India that is having a low poverty level. So comparison between two countries are called the global poverty scenario. From the graphs we can understand. Take page number 36 and 37. You can understand by the graph. See the graph. Analyze the graph for a minute. Shall we move to next topic?
Yes.
Okay, causes of poverty. Anyone can explain what is the causes of poverty? Any points? Any 2 points? Unemployment.
Landless unemployment.
Okay, it's correct. See, low level of economic development under British administration, high growth rate of population. This is called causes of poverty. And I am moving to the anti-poverty measures. I will explain through a chart. Anyone can come and follow the chart. Okay, anti-poverty measures divided into two types: targeted anti-poverty programs and promotion of economic development. These full forms are programs which helps to anti-poverty. PMRY, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. It started in 1993. SGSY, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarnozar Yojana. It started in 1999. PMGY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Udaya Yojana. It started in 2000. REGP, Rural Employment Generation Program, it started in 1995. AOY, Anayodaya Ana Yojana, it started in 2000. And second topic is promotion of economic growth. It means to implementing policies to rapidly increase the economy's capacity to produce goods and services. Shall we move to next topic?
Yes.
Okay, the challenge is here. Okay, the challenge is here. Poverty has certainly declined in India, but despite this, the progress poverty reduction remains India's most compelling challenge. And once Mahatma Gandhi told that, always insisted that India would be truly independent only when the poorest people become free of human suffering. That's all this lesson. I am giving you a homework. Write about the anti-poverty program. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you. Miss.
Good morning, Sino. Okay, today's topic is power sharing. start with the ethnic and diverse composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. First, Belgium. Belgium is located in which continent? Anyone tell? Europe? Yes, correct. Now, anyone please come. Now, we are going to discuss about the ethnic and diverse composition of Sri Lanka and Belgium. 89% lives in the Flemish region and speaks Dutch language, and 40% lives in Wallonia region and speaks French language. Remaining 1% speak German. But in the capital city of Brussels, 80% speak French and remaining 20% speak Dutch. Now, diverse composition of Sri Lanka. After the country's total population, 72% speak Sinhala and remaining 18% speak Tamil. After Tamil, we can group into two subgroups. They are Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. The native Tamil of the countries are called Sri Lankan Tamils, and the Tamils whose forefathers came from India as plantation works during colonial period are called Indian Tamils. Now, how the conflict started in Belgium. The minority French-speaking people were relatively rich and powerful. This was resulted by Dutch-speaking community because they got all the benefits later. So there started a conflict between both these countries. Now, how the conflict started in Sri Lanka. Majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka gets its independence in 1948. After it, the government established a majoritarian series to adopt Sinhala supremacy. First, an act was passed to declare Sinhala as the only official language. This was disliked by Tamils because they didn't get any benefits. The Sinhala dominated them. So, this led to a civil war between Sri Lanka and Belgium. So, the war has created a big impact. The economic and social. So, this led to a civil war between both these countries. So, the civil war has created a big impact on the country. So, the war ended in 2009. So, let's recall to this. First, power is shared among different organs of government. They are legislative, executive, and judicial. Next, the power shared among different levels of government. They are central, state, and local government. Power and the third one, power may also be shared among different social groups such as the religious and linguistic groups. Fourth, pressure growth and movements. Now I will ask question from these topics. Which two languages are generally spoken in Delhi? Yeah. Now you can note on your homework. Describe the ethnic composition of Delhi. Next, explain the forms of power sharing briefly. Hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Sit down. Today's topic is about acids, bases, and salts. Now tell me, why does lemon taste so? Because it contains citric acid. Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Basically, acids are sour in taste because it contains H plus ions. When they dissolve in water, they stimulate the taste bud in our tongue and we feel that sourness in our tongue, which are sensitive to sourness. Now tell me, why do bases taste bitter? Bases contain OH minus ions, which give bitter taste in our tongue that are sensitive to bitterness. Okay. Any two of you come forward? Acid. Substance which release H plus ion in aqueous solution. Example, HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. Properties. These taste soap. Base. Substance which release OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example, NH3. Properties taste bitter. Okay. Now indicator. Indicator is substance that indicates a solution is basic or acidic in nature. To indicate that the solution is acidic or basic, for acidic, phenolphthalein, colorless. Litmus changes into red color. Base. Litmus changes into blue color and phenolphthalein dark pink. Okay. Okay, let's perform an activity. This is a solution of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Indicator of two types. One is synthetic, one is natural. Natural is obtained from plants, whereas synthetic is made in laboratories. I am going to add a powder of detergent, which is basic in nature. You can see that the color of the solution changes. Now any one of you come and test and tell me which either this is acidic or basic in nature. This changes into blue color. So this solution is basic in nature. Red litmus is changed into blue color. So the basic solution changes red litmus to blue. Now I am adding a lemon, which contains citric acid.
can see that the color of the solution again changes into yellow. Someone come and tell me that whether the solution is acidic or basic in nature. This is already acidic. So this blue litmus will not change color because acid basically changes blue litmus to red. But this is already blue litmus, so it will not change the color. Next, phenolphthalein, which is a synthetic indicator. Now I have both sulfuric acid, dilation of sulfuric acid and basic. Now anyone of you come and test this? Now tell me this solution is acidic or basic? Acidic? Yes, correct. Clap your hands over. Phenolphthalein does not change its color in acid solution. And now anyone come and tell me test this with phenolphthalein. You can see that the color of the solution is changed into pink color. This denotes the solution is this. Yes, correct. Clap your hands. We have learned about basic and acidic in nature. This solution is also called neutralization reaction. When base and acid react in the same solution, this is called neutralization reaction. Acid plus base equal to salt plus water. Okay, I'll tell you an example. HCl, this is an acid plus base, NaOH. And you can see that this is plus minus this. NaCl, which is a salt. This is a common solid. Plus H2O. Acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. This reaction is also called neutralization reaction. Let's see another important equation. Acid plus metal hydrogen gas is being liberated here. Always remember that acid and metal react to form salt and hydrogen. Okay. I hope you all understand this session. And write down your homework. List the difference between acid and base briefly. And name any two natural and synthetic indicators.
Morning, students, sit down. Today I am going to start a new topic which is called the living world. Anyone have any idea of what is called living? Respiration. And then yes, and then growth,
Movement.
nutrition, movement.
Yeah.
Wow, these are the categories which non-living do not have. Any one of you stand up and tell two non-living thing and two living thing. Go and stand up. Table. Stand. Example of what? Living thing. All of you give a big round of applause. Let me get into the topic. Do you think in this world only humans are present? And then what are animals? Yes, correct. How many do you think organisms exist in this whole world?
Millions about
17
millions of
17 to 18 million. Exactly, it is 1.78 into 1.8 million. Okay. Biodiversity. Anyone have any idea which is what is called biodiversity? The number of types of organisms present on Earth is called biodiversity. Okay. Next is binomial nomenclature. Okay, let me ask you. Do you have only one name? You have nicknames and then etc. Like the same wise, binomial nomenclature has two names. One is genus, another one is specific epithet. One is genus and then another one is specific epithet. The process of standardized naming is called nomenclature, which means that, for example, Juhi Catherine is there. But officially we call her Juhi Catherine. But if my friends call her Juhi Catherine anything. But officially what in attendance her name is present as Juhi Catherine. That is called standardized naming. That is her nomenclature. Okay. The nomenclature and the binomial nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Now I will write one scientific name. You have to identify which is genus and which is specific epithet. Okay. Anyone know why I underline this?
It should be written in italics or underlined.
Yes, correct. Manticore antica is a scientific name of what are they?
Mango.
Correct. Very good. So now there are many
Biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. So this both word comes in Latin. Do you know why Latin they choose this? Because we have Tamil, English, Hindi, more languages, but why the scientists specifically take Latin as universal? No. Do you think Latin is still spoken by the people in the world?
No, it is
In another words,
it is ancient language.
ancient and another word,
Ancient and powerful.
dead language.
Still the language.
Latin is a dead language as well as an ancient language which is not in use, so they use Magifera Indica. And another one thing is Magifera Indica is not used in here, right? We use mango, mambalam, in Hindi, etc. So to specify that thing which is this Magifera Indica, in America they call mango, but in here also we call mango, but not most of them we didn't call mango. If you go to the market, if you ask that shopkeeper, can you please give me 1 kg of mango? He don't know English, because then why is there putting stop? If you know English, you should be somewhere else, right? So like the same wise, Magifera Indica is not being used, but they use scientifically. Understand? You understand? Now tell me the first rule I mentioned. Anyone of you? Correct. Next, now she already told this is genus and this is species, right? You all got that. That is the second rule. Third rule is I am writing in the board, so it is handwritten. So I underlined it separately. If in printed paper, it will be like in italics, like the slanting word. That is the fourth rule. Another one rule is here you have to mention link. You know why I mentioned link here? Did you remember?
He finds the word.
Yeah.
He finds.
He said Magifera Indica, a scientific name for mango, so it is written as his name is mentioned in an abbreviated form, link. I hope you get these 4 rules, right? Now, any one of you please tell all the four rules. Stand up and in simple words, no need to make big sentence. In simple words, this is this, like that. Stand up, good job.
First word is the genus and second word is the. The word should be written in. The word should be in Latin and written in italics. If the word is handwritten, the word should be underlined.
Yes. And the last starts with capital letter.
And the
This one
genus
starts
species
with
starts in small.
capital letter. I think give a big round of applause. Next, this is next topic, which is called classification. Generally, classification is grouping of organisms into categories on the basis of similarity and difference. It's known as classification. The simple meaning is that we are humans and we are categorized separately. Can we humans compare to dogs? Are dogs belong to our category? No. So they are kept separately as animals. We are also animals, but we have some differences to the dog because we are vertebrates. They are invertebrates. We walk in 2 legs. They walk in 4 legs. Okay? You understand this? Next. Next, let me go into taxonomy. Do you have any idea what is called taxonomy?
Standard is naming a
Hmm?
standard is naming a
No, that is nomenclature. I'm asking about taxonomy. Stand up. Loud.
Classification, identification, nomenclature, character.
Good. Must be So taxonomy is there are 4 steps of involved in taxonomy. First is classification. Second one is characterization. So wait, please tell me what is classification? You need this want to explain me why. I just now I told about dogs humans. Can you explain?
Humans have a brain. Dogs have a brain.
And then they walk in 4 legs, they walk in 2 legs. That is called classification. Sit down. Grab your hands. I will tell what is the 4th thing, and one of you want to come and explain which comes first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. Now I explained about classification. Next is characterization. Okay. Characterization means, do you have any idea about characterization? Characterization.
Like animals.
Characterization. What is character?
Male or female?
They can't be down.
Okay, that is one character. And then what is your character? You eat with? Dog eat with? How eat with mouse? That is, we can characterize by the character. And then identification. Identification is the things which you see. You see a dog, you can easily identify dog and humans. Anyone of you can't identify which is human and which is dog? Everyone can identify, right? That is called identification. Nomenclature means standardized naming of organism. Now, Jason will come and tell which comes first and which comes last. Which comes first and which comes last. This is grouping, okay? This one is character. This one is the first impression of the organism. This one is nomenclature. I already gave the clue. Classification means grouping of organism. Characterization means based on their characters. Identification is first impression. Yes, identification is first. Next. Okay. Okay, and then nomenclature. Here he made one mistake. Anyone of you can identify it? Second? How many of you saying characterization? Second.
This is what? Sharp case. You identify. Next the character. What can you do? Right. So it is based on, will it go on their own? No. That is classification. It is based on thing. And then nomenclature. They will take what can you name this? So they name this sharp case. Have you got it? Everyone? Can I move to the next? And I just want taxonomy first was coined by A.T. Candolle. Okay. Listen to class, after that I will ask questions. Wait. Two kingdom classification. I think you all know, right? What is two kingdom classification? Plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Yes, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Who classified that as plant and animal? Huh? There are Linnaeus. So that is two kingdom classification. There is a five kingdom classification which is on the next lesson. So don't think of it. Now next we are the taxonomic categories. Classification is not a single step process. Anyone of you, do you think classification is just one step? How many of you say it is one step? Classification is a one step process. No one. It is many steps, right? Everyone agree with that. So there are many classifications. A group of organisms occupy a particular category is called taxon. Taxon means you know species. Genus. These are the major 7 taxonomic categories. Understand? Why do you know why I written species is first? Anyone of you? It is a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities, which is called fundamental similarity. I want you to understand what is fundamental. What is fundamental? Basic. Basic. Correct. Then you have to tell me that humans and chimpanzees, what are the common things we have?
Some under the category of animals.
Common characteristics. Do you think humans evolved from chimpanzees? Yes, right. So that is one category, fundamental categories, similarities, and then one species can be distinguished from other closely related species based on distinctive morphological differences. Morphological differences means you can differentiate chimpanzee from humans and then dogs, cats, etc. So all are comes under species. You can differentiate, right? Will you see a cat and you think it is dog? No. In dog is cat? No. Yes, sir. No. The examples are lion, mango. They both have any similarities?
No.
But they have both have differences, right? Both comes under species because lion has the species Leo, it is indica. What is the scientific name of mango? Lion Potato and brinjal are two different species. But they look different, but they belong to the same genus, which is Solanum. Okay. Next family is again closely related. It comprises grouply related genus with less number of similarities, which means in family there are Panthera and Pelican. Do you have any idea? This is what? Look at this one. This is what? Genus or species? Genus, right. Already you told Leo it is Panthera Leo, right? Panthera Leo, Panthera tigris and Panthera rugardino, right? Like the same wise, Felis domestica means cat. We all tell that these both are comes under category of cat. They share the same family called as Felidae. They both look different, but they come under the same family. Next, the order. Order closely related family is called the order. It is a group of one or more related families. Plant family, order, function, solanum, just remember, closely related species means genus, closely related genus means family, like the same comes up to this. Do you think this same as kingdom? Kingdom has the most different because it is the highest taxonomy category. If you look at this, mango is here and then mango becomes plant here. Mango, different, but mango is fruit, right? It becomes plant here. Like the same wise, this is the lowest category and this is the highest category. If it goes like this, the similarities increases, and when it comes down, similarity decreases. If you, for example, if you take 5 organisms, okay, this 5 organism is species. When it comes to kingdom, it will be separated only as 2.
Base value of octet standard